Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel Mystic Holistic. I'm your host Dr. Vibha Pawar and this is going to be a monthly tarot card reading for the sign Gemini for the coming month of October 2021. So let's get started. These are general readings, so they may or may not resonate with all of you. However, if they do, please let me know in the comment section below, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you guys. Let's get started. At the end of the video, I will also be pulling up one yes or a no tarot card. So do stick around till the end. Lovely cards, Geminis. These are nice energies. Let's pull up one overall outcome card for you guys. It's the overall outcome for Gemini for October 2021. I'm also going to pull one energy oracle card to understand the supporting energy for the month of October for you guys. Victory. Okay, Geminis, let's just get started with your tarot reading for the month of October, the messages. So in your recent past, you've got the Hierophant. Now this is a major arcana card. It could represent that recently some of you might have got married or went into a commitment, or it could also mean that some of you might have found a journey or a path on a spiritual front as well, where you're able to connect with the higher spirits or universe or deity very easily. In your recent energies, you've got the Ten of Cups and the Strength card. So from the love point of view, reading is most of you might be really gone into a recent commitment or a recent relationship, and that's coming up as your present energies, where you have the Ten of Cups, which is the card of abundance, card of fulfillment, satisfaction, happiness, family time as well, and you also have the strength to carry on these energies. So there is definitely a Leo energy that is reflecting as well. So either you might be getting in a relationship with a Leo, or already in a relationship with some Leo, or there is a Leo energy that is supporting you as well in your current energy. So currently you are at a place where you are happy and satisfied with whatever you have achieved so far, be it in your career, business point of view as well, or financial point of view as well. You are in your happy place. In your recent future, you've got the Ten of Pentacles. Now, Ten of Pentacles is again reflecting more on your financial abundance, the cycle that is coming to an end. You are able to manifest or inherit a lot of financial gains, either from your ancestor or your parents, or from your family as well. So if you are uh, some of you might be inheriting some wealth in the near future. There is also a energy which suggests that with Ten of Pentacles, that either you will be getting into a commitment with somebody who is financially more stable as well, who's going to give you that security. From the business or career point of view, it also represents that it's a partnership that is coming your way, which will bring in the financial abundance for you. Or you could be partnering with, or you could be moving into a new job or a new career move, which will bring in that satisfaction, happy family time with the financial stability that you're looking forward to. Or in your existing career as well, or in your existing job as well, you will be venturing into new projects which will bring in these energies for you. So overall, very good reading, and you do have the strength to carry on all the extra stuff that you will be taking over. So in the environment, you've got the Knight of Wands, and in your hopes and fear, you've got the Six of Cups. So it's a hopeful card. Now, Six of Cups also represent that something or somebody from your childhood is coming back, and some past events are going to, you'll be able to relive those past events as well. So maybe an old friend is coming back to you, or you're being hopeful that an old friend comes back and visits you as well. The environment around you is of Knight of Wands, so that means there is a message that is coming towards you, which you were eagerly waiting for. It's not coming too fast, it's not coming too slow, it's taking its time, but it is all on its way for sure. So you should be anticipating some information or news coming your way within a week's time or so, which you are eagerly waiting for. And that news is going to be a very good one, because your recent future, we have the Ten of Pentacles. So some news around your financial gains, yeah, through your career or business opportunity is definitely on the cards, Gemini. The overall outcome for all the read cards is you've got the Four of Ariel. So Four of Ariel is again, it's a card that suggests that when you give, you also receive. So some of you might be already in a position to, who's doing a lot of charity already, or supporting people around you, and this is the time that those energies are going to resonate with you, and you're going to get back as well all the things and all the efforts that you've been putting on. For some people, this could also mean that you're being resistant to change as well, and it could have extreme impacts of either you would be on a super extreme saving spree or super extreme spending spree. So you need to strike out a balance between these two energies. And just don't be so resistant to change that you start locking yourself in and you're creating another boundary, because boundaries will only keep you inside, and you'll be cut off from the world, which is not a healthy sign. So it's good to have the introspection, but it's just watch out for how much you want to bound yourself into, because that's not how things needs to be. With all these positive energies around, it is your time to go out and celebrate and rejoice with your families and friends as well. The overall energy or the oracle message that we have got is the Victory card. Now, the Victory card represents that you are able to conquer all the efforts that you have been putting through, and you have put in a lot of hard work, definitely, be it in your relationship building or be it in your career or finances building. And those hard works, those extra efforts are now reaping off. There is a definite success and a sense of achievement that is already there for you. You also would be in a sense of pride for this month of October. The achievement may be a great outer success, or it may be a deep inner change as well, that you have been exerting a lot of effort inwards. Enjoy this sense of accomplishment, but be very careful not to rest upon the laurels. People expect outer triumph to being great changes, but often these may still be inner work to do. So let yourself be open to the victory on every level now and then, which is so. Affirmation point of view, the angel messages says that do some positive affirmations as well. Don't let the victory go in your head for sure. There is a definite victory, there is a definite sense of achievement, there is a definite sense of accomplishment that is there in the month of October for you guys, Gemini. It's just that utilize that energy of celebration around your family and friends, and don't restrict yourself, or don't be resistant to this change which is coming your way as well. These are happy times for you. These are times for you to go ahead and enjoy. That time, do not doubt that what if I start enjoying, something bad will happen. So that's not how you should be thinking of right now. Whatever happiness is coming your way, go ahead, feel free, and enjoy that abundance energy or that happiness energy that is coming your way, because there is definitely a victory that is coming your way. Your efforts that you have put in is going to pay off in the month of October, and a lot of celebration energies around, a lot of family time around as well for most of you guys. Okay, I'm gonna do a quick yes or a no question. So if you want, you can pause the video and think about the question that you want to ask, or else just go ahead and ask the question, and let me just pull one card for yes or a no as well. Oh, so you've got the Three of Cups. So definitely a yes answer. Three of Cups, again, the time of celebrations, time of happiness, cheerfulness, get-togethers, gatherings, and everything. Three of Cups could also represent that if you are thinking of extending your family and having a baby, it's a absolute go ahead. So Three of Cups is a good energy card to have around for the yes or no, and the answer to the question is definitely yes. I hope you guys have enjoyed this reading. If you have, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, guys. You guys have a happy October. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.